Introduce features highlight or overview summary about BBBuy, 62 inches foldable pet ramp, dog and cat safety, bifold ramp ladder portable travel for cars, trucks, SUVs, doorstep, porch, or bed. You can find wanted vibration plate exercise machine here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. This dog ramps are made of high-quality plastic, strong and durable, ideal for small to medium-sized dogs up to 150 pounds, without excess wobbling or damaging. Designed with non-slip walking surface, provides extra traction in wet or dry conditions. Also can be cleaned with soap and water. Fold size, 31.3 x 15.74 inch weight, 9 pounds. Suitable for vehicles below 28 inch or 2.33 feet. Off the ground. Lightweight and compact design is perfect for easy carrying, travel, and storage, can folds into half size when not in use, take it anywhere. Convenient cutout handle offers a safety way to release latch and helps prevent accidental openings. Rubber grips add extra stability when loading or unloading your pet. An alternative to jumping into your vehicle for old dogs so they can avoid injuries. It's convenient for your pets to access vehicles, furniture, veterinary, grooming tables and others, without stressing their joints. Notice, recommend height below 23 inch. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.